so it is time to unbox our Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of June. I had to think about that for a minute. I went a little wild with my makeup look today. Yeah, you know, just feeling creative, I guess. So the first thing I see as I open this box is this card. It says, "Make waves, summer is more than a season, it's a state of mind. You deserve to rock that neon liner, swipe the bright gloss, and go full on bold for you. Break your beauty rut and create a splash." Well, apparently I did that without even reading this card. And it's just beauty tips. Again, it doesn't look like they put any of the products on the card, so maybe this is something Ipsy is kind of breaking away from, which, to be fair, I felt like that probably made a lot more work for them. So let's see, the first product I see is this Flesh to Flesh highlighting powder. I haven't gotten a highlighter from Ipsy in a while, so this will be intriguing. Oh, I have a bad feeling about this. I have a feeling this is, oh god, yep, it's broken. So I'm gonna have to email Ipsy customer service about that one. Yeah, I can swatch it, I guess. Hi, you want attention? There's a cat here who's pawing at me. We're gonna try to swatch this real quick. What do you want? What do you want, sweetie? Oh, that's pretty. I really like that. That is a really nice, like, I guess flesh colored highlighter, but I will have to email Ipsy and see if they can send me a replacement. Their customer service is actually pretty good. I've gotten broken products in the past. Most of the time they're able to replace them. And if they're not able to replace them, they'll just give you a discount on your next box. So that's unfortunate, but we'll just, let's look at our next product. It is the Ciate London Marbled Metals Metallic Glitter Eyeshadow. So I do like Ciate. I don't know how I feel about just getting a single color. And oh, that's interesting. This was already partially opened when, okay. So the product's not damaged. It's interesting. I don't know what to make of this. So to show you guys, this was already partially opened when I got it out of the box, which maybe it just like came loose in shipping. Apparently something happened in shipping that caused my highlighter to break. The next thing, I didn't realize it was going to be loose, and it's almost like, it's a cream almost. And there's this little like paddle thing to like smush it down. Yeah, so we'll try to swatch this in a minute. It's a very pretty purple color, but unless I get wild with my makeup, I don't know when I'm going to use that purple color. This is very pretty. But this isn't something I would have ever picked out for myself. I wasn't super thrilled when I saw what I was getting this month, I'm not gonna lie. The reason why I had even continued my subscription for this month, I was actually thinking about pausing or skipping a couple of months just because I have a lot of makeup. But the reason why I was thinking about keeping the subscription for this month was because I saw one of the spoilers. It was supposed to actually be pressed powder foundation. So I really wanted that because Ipsy doesn't do foundation often, and when they do, like, I'm all about that. But it was not meant to be. I was not meant to get it in my box. But alas, we'll move on to the next product. It is the Nacific Fresh Herb Origin Eye Cream with Calendula. So this is actually the product I ended up choosing this month out of everything that was an option. I just wasn't super thrilled by this. This will be interesting because I've only tried an eye product one other time in my life, and it actually, I kind of had like a skin reaction, so we'll see if this is any better. Oh. Meow. My cat wants to play. I'm just squirting, squeezing some of this out onto my pinky finger. There's a subtle scent, not overpowering, which is probably best. It's an eye cream. She wants us to go play. I'm a bad mom apparently for filming instead of playing. One of the other products that they sent me was this Lip Mate High Shine Reviving Topper by Thrive Cosmetics. So Thrive Cosmetics is the company that sent me like probably my favorite just basic mascara. Like, I love that mascara. You guys might have watched some of my past videos. That Thrive Cosmetics mascara is like my ride or die mascara. This is a very bright and very vibrant lip gloss, which I don't hate in theory. I just don't know if I'll actually ever wear it. I'm swatching it next to the purple eyeshadow here. I think it's a really cute summertime color, I'm not gonna lie. So, and I'm really, a lot of the time, I'm more about lip glosses than I am lipsticks. So I'm actually pretty pleased with this product. And then the last product they sent me was actually well, it's 2 sets of 3, but in total it's 6 sheet masks from Jejun Cosmetic. I'm pretty excited about this because most of the time when they send sheet masks, they only send like 3. Like if you got the normal Ipsy Glam bag, they only send 2. And there have been times where they've only sent me 2 in Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. And I'm like, well, this is kind of a ripoff. But they're sending 6 whole bags, 6 whole sheet masks. So I'm pretty excited about that. And then lastly, if you look at the bag, I'm just whatever about it. In general, if you haven't already gotten the vibe of this unboxing, I'm just kind of meh about this month's products that they had, or at least the products I got. There's a lot of other stuff I really wanted, and I was not pleased. I did end up changing a lot of my preferences in the app after last month's unboxing and getting another eyebrow product that I was just kind of over, just because I have a lot of eyebrow products. So I don't know if this affected why everything is just so meh this much. I just got lip gloss in my hair, so that's what I'm doing right now. So disregard that. Before I end this, I do like to go over the products I got in last month's Ipsy and tell you guys how I liked them, if I actually used them, are they worth your time and or money. So the first product that's popping out at me was this, God, I can't remember what it was. It's like In Beauty, I want to say, is the brand. It's a lip oil, and it was supposed to be plumping. I don't think it was actually plumping. I think it just makes your lips look really, really plump because of how shiny it is. I don't hate it. It's basically just, it says it's a lip oil. It's basically a lip gloss that smells like candy apple. I feel like I'm in 6th grade again. I don't hate it. But that being said, just eh. One of the other products I got last month was this Tartiste lip paint. This is a very bold color for me, but I really enjoyed it. This is actually a product I picked last month, and I don't have anything like this in my lippy collection. And I do just generally like Tarte products in general, so I was pretty happy with this. The product I got last month that caused me to change my preferences was this clear brow gel by Wonder Beauty. I tried it once just to see what the hype was about. Again, I hardly do anything with my brows other than just like trim, and I might like lightly color them in, but I already have pretty prominent eyebrows that don't really need a whole lot of help. So something like this, I was just like, eh. I feel like I could be getting more for my buck, or bang for my buck, if you will, from the subscription, if I had gotten something other than this. Then we also got an eyeshadow palette by Colored Rain. And I actually really liked this palette. I liked the colors. I thought they were pretty good mix and assortment. They ended up being a little orangey instead of brown, I felt like, once I actually started applying them. But it's a cute little like basic look palette, so I wasn't mad. And then last product I got last month was a set of makeup brushes, which they're all kind of dirty right now, so I didn't bring them over to show you. But I ain't mad when Ipsy sends me makeup brushes, especially a set of 5 like they did. Meow! I don't know why you guys watch me, honestly. I just like yell at my cat like half these videos, and I'm like, please subscribe. Anyways. If you guys are still watching, that's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked me, please consider doing all of the happy YouTube algorithm things like liking my video and commenting and subscribing and all that jazz. Oh, I think I'm supposed to tell you to like turn on notifications or something whenever I post a video. And that's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching.